Okay guys, pulled my fuel pump out, 88 Honda Accord. Yeah, dead original, pretty cool. As you can see, this hose, been in E85, long time, perfect. Clamps good. Got a little bit of this white corrosion, and I've seen this in another, I pulled another gas tank out, I run 50/50, and I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's like a little bit of a white film, maybe like right there too. I saw a little bit of some really weird stuff right there. Yeah, I'll be able to see that. Anyway, another thing I noticed, the socks got, it's like they're metal pieces in there, very fine pieces. Definitely gonna be replacing all that, so yeah, cool. Anyway, there's the top, nothing too bad there, corrosion wise. Yeah, so I'm gonna talk about this more, but I just want to show you this right when I pulled it out, so it's still got some wet in it and stuff, so pretty cool. About what I thought though. So just got to figure out how to put this new pump on and make it sure it fits in this basket right and all that. Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye.